What's up guys, it's Christine with Irene Iron Fitness, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes for breakfast. It's a high protein cream of rice. For those of you that are sick of eating eggs every day, keep watching. So this meal is a great breakfast for those that are looking for something high protein and you're sick of eggs. And you use the cream of rice. It's great for either a pre-workout meal or a post-workout meal because the rice is a simple carb. It digests very quickly. It's very easy on your digestive system. If you have a wonky system or upset stomach with gluten and grains, things like that, this will be a really good option for you. It's also a great blank canvas for flavoring with toppings that you like. It's super quick to make. It takes 5 minutes. It takes you way longer to eat it than it does to make it. So that's another good pro of this breakfast, is that it is satisfying and filling, and it can satisfy a sweet tooth for those of you that are trying to get off the sweets. This is a great option. What you want to do to start is get a pan going. I use my 8-inch skillet. You could use a small saucepan or a medium saucepan, but I like this because I feel like with the increased surface versus a small saucepan, it cooks really quick. You want to start by just putting a cup of water in your pan to get that to a low boil. Once you start to see bubbles rising up, then you know it's hot enough. And you want to start next by measuring out your cream of rice. I'm going to do the suggested serving size of 45 grams. So I just measure it on my scale in the cup. And then it's ready to pour in once your water's hot. All right, so there are small bubbles forming on the bottom of the skillet. And again, I like to use a skillet because that surface area, it comes to a light boil super quick. So I'm gonna add in my cream of rice. I'm doing the recommended serving, it's a 1/4 cup. I'm gonna add that in, mix it together with the water, and you wanna let that cook first. It only takes about a minute. And then you're gonna add in your protein, which comes from eggs. So you are still eating eggs, I tricked you, but I promise you can't taste the eggs. You don't feel the texture of eggs. You won't even know they're there. So before you get like weirded out about it, you just gotta try it. And we're gonna add those right in here. 3/4 of a cup is what I'm putting in. You could put more or less. The macros for this exact recipe that I'm gonna show you, including my toppings, is gonna come in at 38 carbs, 24 grams of protein, and 2 grams of fat. So it's really a good ratio for a pre or post workout meal. As I mentioned, I like to have my pre-workout meals like an hour to an hour and a half before I start working out. And I like to have my post-workout within the hour of finishing my workout. And I think I mentioned earlier that this rice is really good because it's a simple carb. It digests very quickly, which is great for your pre and your post. But other than that, I mean, it's a great breakfast for any day to be like something warm and satisfying and a sweet tooth. This is great for a sweet tooth because you can put some toppings on and have some fun with it. So just keep mixing the eggs in. The eggs will take about 1.5 minutes, and you'll know when it's done when the eggs no longer look separated from the cereal. It will slowly just mix into one texture, and the liquid of it goes away. And it's coming pretty close to that. It's almost ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get it in my bowl. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna top it with today. And then we're gonna go over some other topping ideas because the sky's the limit here. And if you get bored really easily, this is a great canvas recipe for you to have in your arsenal so that you can whip this up and then play around with the toppings so that you can get variety and keep from getting bored. Because in order to eat good, you need to eat good consistently, find things that you like, and find things that are easy for you to stick to. And this is definitely one of those items for me. Turn it off. Starting to get some bubbles. There's just something so comforting about a nice hot cereal. All right. So in mine, I made a mistake. Normally I put the nutmeg and the vanilla in with it. When I'm cooking it, I forgot to do that. So add that in while it's cooking. Since I forgot to do it, I'm gonna sprinkle it on top with some nutmeg. But when you do it while it's cooking, then you get the little flecks throughout the cereal. I'm also gonna add cinnamon. Cinnamon and nutmeg is a great combo for sweetness. And then I'm gonna do a crack of salt. I'm gonna do some pepita seeds for a little crunch and just a hint of fat in the dish. And I'm gonna top with my Walden Farms syrup. I love this stuff. I put it on my breakfast cereal. I put it on quinoa. You can put it on sweet potatoes. I'll put the link for it below. I get it off Amazon. And there you have it. It's really pretty and satisfying. Other topping ideas. If you want to swap out the seeds for a different fat, you could do coconut flakes or a tablespoon of nut butters. There are so many nut butters on the market today, but make sure you measure these out, guys. Other mix-ins, you could do some sugar-free preserves. I know they make, in addition to this apricot, they make raspberry and strawberry. That would be really good. You could do fresh fruit like apples chopped up really small, or some berries. And then you can play around with your other like flavorings. Instead of doing nutmeg and cinnamon, you could use some liquid stevia to make it even sweeter, or play around with extracts like butter if you want something like really buttery and syrupy. Lemon is a little bit brighter, and coconut. So if you have some flavor combos that you have mixed in with your cereals or oatmeals, comment below and let me know your ideas. Another thing I forgot to mention, instead of using egg whites, you could use protein powder as a protein source in this dish. You might need to add a little bit more water though, because that protein powder is going to absorb the water more. And that's it. Go to my recipe at my blog, irenefitness.com, for the full recipe printable version. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, comment below, and check in next Wednesday for a new healthy recipe, and then on Sundays for RV lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you next time.